to show you guys our beautiful park model called the Rocky. And as you guys can see, it's gorgeous outside of it. It features the ribbed metal with the accent cedar. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we have beautiful windows that I'm going to show you guys inside and show you more. But these are Anderson windows, double pane, easy cleaning, easy open, and all that good stuff. And it's a 12 by 37. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, beautiful kitchen, and all the stuff that you guys really need in a park model. So let's go inside and I'll show you this beautiful model. Alright, so as you guys walk in, you see the kitchen. It's a small kitchen, but it really has everything that you need. It has a mini fridge here, a 4-burner stove with a little oven. I don't know if this is a full-size oven, but I think it's a mini size. But your sink and a window right over the sink, cabinets down below, and I think you can maybe upgrade, put cabinets up here if you want to. But for right now, you know, we wanted to have this cute shelves, you know, to put any decoration, mugs, or anything that you have. And as you can see over here, we have this beautiful big window, make it very nice and airy. It's very bright in here, very welcoming. And over here, and you have a little storage up here on top of the fridge too, which is really nice and spacious. You can store a lot of stuff here. You can use it as your little pantry. And the fridge, and I think they put down like a little, like a space for your spices or anything you want to store. And as you walk this way, you have the bathroom. It's nice and spacious for our remodel. It's a what do you call it?
Walk-in shower.
Walk-in shower.
Yep.
And we have the washer and dryer stackable up here, and again another storage up there, and more storage over here. As you turn in your medicine cabinet, I really like these. I like the accent colors and everything. And more storage over here to store your makeup, your whatever you have. And we have some drawers down here. These are really nice.
You got the slow close.
Slow close. That's important. And like if any cleaning supplies you got, you can store down here. And then another beautiful window over here. Make it again very nice and spacious. And actually a small, if you can get that small window again in the bathroom. We don't have this hooked to electricity or anything, but you can see how bright that is. And then right on this side, far end, we have the bedroom.
Yeah, and there is electricity in the unit. We just don't have it hooked up, obviously.
That's right.
We have 200 amp electric or 110, whichever you need. We can run that electric throughout the whole
And we
home.
have the mini split head over here. It's a Bosch.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's one of the nicer ones, right?
Yes, Bosch mini splits, and like she mentioned, you got your double pane Anderson windows, top of the line Anderson windows.
So you can control it with the remote controller.
Yeah.
And put it right back in so you don't lose it.
You got your tongue and groove Nadia pine ceiling, and we got that stain dark.
I want to talk about the ceiling that goes throughout the whole RV. It's gorgeous. What is it? You said it's tongue and groove?
Tongue and groove pine.
I like the accent colors.
Yep.
Oh, look at that up there.
Yep, wide open.
Wide open. So cool.
Again, guys, when you have a smaller space, you always want to go light walls, dark ceiling, dark floors, and big windows. That way it really opens up the whole home and makes it feel a lot larger than what it is. And one of the things that I wanted to touch on real quick is these walls, guys. I know it looks on film like it's drywall or sheetrock. It is not. Okay, this is birch plywood. Listen to this. You hear that? That's solid wood, guys. That's not sheetrock or drywall. And the reason the Amish use this product is, again, real wood quality. And when you ship these things down the road, you know what happens to drywall. It might warp, it might break. Well, birch plywood is not going to do that. This is solid wood. So these things are built solid, built to last, built by the Amish. Okay, so moving on, Nadia.
You can get that another head.
Yep, got another Bosch mini split over there. And again, you see the theme with the recessed lights up top.
Very cool.
Dark ceiling again. You got your second Bosch mini split. And then you got bedroom number 2.
Which has the sliding door. Very cool.
Yep, got you a pocket door right there for privacy. You go in.
And another window over here again. So many windows for our remodel, right?
Yeah.
I didn't count, but there are so many windows throughout. And this is the electric.
Here's your electric pair.
How does this open?
It just,
I didn't go too far.
it's a little slippery because it's wet. It's okay.
Oh, there you go.
There we go. Got it
Very
open
nice
there.
and clean.
Yeah, we're all, it's a humid day out here today, guys. So, well, we wanted to get this video out here for you guys to see the quality and the craftsmanship of this one we call the Rocky, aka the Rocky Balboa. Again, it's, you know, this will sleep 4, so you can say maybe put a full-size bed in here, or maybe twin bunk bed for the kiddos, and then mom and dad put a queen-size bed on the other side. Again, easily sleep 4 over here in this park model.
It's really a cute little RV park model.
Yeah, very functional space. Again, you got your GFIs here, all your outlets ready to go.
This is
Really nice sink there.
Tons of cabinet space, like.
Yep. And again, too, remember, guys, you're not stuck to this exact floor plan when you order yours. If you want to move things around a little bit, the Amish and the Mennonites that we work with are very flexible. Maybe you want to do a tongue and groove pine on the inside instead of all the white walls, and on the outside you want to go with you know, you want to go with, say, a D-log siding to make it look more like a rustic cabin. Those are all things we can do as well, guys. So just keep that in mind. We can mix it up. Nadia, why don't we go outside and show them one last time? We'll do a walk around just so they can see the full walk around of this beautiful park model. Yeah, see, so as you can see, let me scoot back here. Beautiful cedar accents with that ribbed metal siding. Again, maybe you want a different color. Yep, you got the recessed lighting underneath the ridge there. And super cool. It is built on a, like I said, 12-foot by 37-foot four axle trailer system. You can see on the back side here, we do have the Bosch that's powering the mini splits on the inside. So here's your Bosch system over here. And this is the back side of the park model over here. So just beautiful. Hopefully you can see the craftsmanship right here in the videos. And this one is available for immediate purchase. So if this is one that catches your eye, first deposit gets it. Give us a call. Again, this is the one we call the Rocky Balboa, or just the Rocky. This is your trailer hitch on the front to pull it. I did talk to the gentleman that delivered it for us. He brought it with a truck that was a 3500, but he highly suggests that to move this, you want to use a truck that's at least a 5500, because it is quite substantial in weight. This is a very well built park model, so you need something with some cojones to move it. You're not gonna move this with a little S10 pickup truck, guys. Okay,